Well, hello friends, my name is Holly and welcome back to my channel and happy Mother's Day weekend. We are posting this video a week after Mother's Day, but I wanted to share a lot of things that we did over the weekend, and one of them is I got my beautiful little topiaries in and we got to plant those, and so now our little front porch is complete. Topiaries from Lowe's just made it so beautiful and perfect. I had these last year, but I had them on our back patio and I actually got them from Home Depot, the store, last year. Couldn't find them this year, so I found them on lowes.com and they shipped to me really fast and they were in wonderful condition, and so I love these. I actually killed mine last year because I fertilized them with some fertilizer, some food during the winter months, and I didn't think anything about that, so I killed those. So hopefully we'll be able to keep these for many years, fingers crossed. But we're gonna get these planted up, and then also I wanted to add in some more of these white petunias in around this like little arborvitae that we have planted here. I just love the look of these little white petunias. I have them planted throughout the whole front of our landscape, and they're just so elegant and pretty. I just think they're so beautiful. I went to my favorite plant nursery, Petals from the Past, and picked up just a few more plants to finish off around our landscape and our cottage garden. And so I grabbed these little flowers right here that I was going to put in these little pots that I have on our fireplace out in our cottage garden. I thought the blooms on them, they're going to be so pretty, and he said that they were kind of drought tolerant because summertime I don't like getting out and watering all my plants so much. I like them to kind of be established. So I mean, I still get out there and water them, just not as much as I do in the spring. And so I needed something that was going to last. And so he recommended these. And then this is some of our rose bushes. We're going to go ahead and fertilize everything. I like to fertilize all of my plants at the beginning of each month. And so I'm going to use this Rose and Flower Care on all of my roses. And then all of my other plants, I'm going to use this Grower Special. And my camellias, I'm going to use this. And then I also have a organic fertilizer that I like to use on like our herbs and our vegetables. Y'all remembered in one of the last videos that I shared, we had some beautiful little blue eggs, a little nest, and now they have hatched and they're so pretty. They're getting ready to start taking flight and leave our home, and I wanted to share with you them because we love looking at our little birds. I have Casey out here with me now, finishing up the last thing that we're going to do in our flower beds. So if you remember, we extended our flower beds, like our landscaping beds, and we needed to put down an extra little stepping stone. So Drew's doing that, and then I bought two more of these little plants. I can't remember what they're called, but they bloom spring, summer, and fall. And I just love these like little white daisies that this little plant gives off. And so we're going to get those planted on each side of the stepping stone, and so it's just going to trail and just be so pretty, leading from our front porch into our cottage garden. And here is Drew digging them out for me. I had done a lot of work in the garden this day, and he decided he was going to put these in the ground for me, and I was just going to hang out and watch Kason play. And we have Pops over here too with them. We've been doing lots of yard work this week and getting it all ready for Mother's Day. Also, another little project that we're going to do is hide this cord on the back patio that is to this little water fountain that we all love so much. It just sets the tone out here. It is just like a little oasis back here, and this little water feature helps so much. But I did not like this cord showing, so I bought this like little it's supposed to be like a cord cover for like if you have your TV mounted, but I just had thought about it and was like, oh, I should get that because it would match our vinyl. We could line it up against it, and then we wouldn't even see the cord, and this would be a lot less noticeable. So we're just going to go ahead and stick that on there real quick.
You're having a big time, aren't you?
We are at my sister's house today, and I wanted to do a little surprise, a little makeover for her for their little pool deck area for Mother's Day. And so this is how it looks right now. And she just has these little chairs that are just little foldable chairs that came with like a little glass table that they've been using to lounge around the pool. And they're fine. They definitely work for whenever you're just getting out and need to sit down and dry off. But we wanted to update this little space and then actually get some chairs that were a lot more comfortable in case you're like lounging lounging by the pool or wanting to get a little suntan. So we're going to clean off this deck real quick, and then this is actually a day that it is just rainy and we are supposed to be having like little tornado warnings, but we wanted to get this done in this little makeover done before Mother's Day because it's supposed to be pre-Mother's Day, and so we can enjoy being out here and just hanging out. So I'm going to hang this little rug out here to dry, and then we are going to unload these fabulous chairs that I am so excited about and to share with y'all. I wanted to thank today's sponsor, which is Psilvam, and they actually gifted us these little chairs. So these are actually poly lumbar Adirondack chairs, and they wanted us to give our honest review on these, and so we're going to assemble these together, which was really easy to do. It came with all the tools that you needed to put them together, and then the holes were actually pre-drilled, and so it made it very easy and fast to assemble these chairs. Did you see the lightning?
Yeah.
I thought I saw it earlier too.
Back there. Thunder and lightning. Okay.
Thunder. Not in.
Thunder.
So now that it has stopped raining and the storms have passed, we're going to put these out on her little deck right in front of her little pool, and I'm so excited to enjoy these while we are watching the kids splash around, maybe hold Kason in this while he's napping out in the sun. We're watching the older kids play.
It's nice. It's real nice.
So these Adirondack chairs actually come in several different colors that I will share here below. They are made from recycled material, and so it's not real wood, but it's made to look like real wood. They can withstand all kinds of weather. They will not peel, crack, chip, or rot. This is her beautiful view. These chairs sit so nicely and they are so durable. It also comes with a hidden key feature, which is a little cup holder, and you can keep it out for whenever you're at the pool and need somewhere to put your drink, but then it also tucks away very nicely. Their Adirondack chairs are actually the largest chair like this on the market. Both the depth of the seat and the height of the backrest are about 5 inches larger than the average chair. So we tested the little cup holder with this little glass of ice water, but then also we were so excited to see that the famous, oh so popular, everybody loves Stanley Cup actually fits in these little cup holders too. That is what I carry all the time, and so I was really excited to see that it fit in these little cup holders. Thank you again, Psilvam, for sponsoring today's video. If you're interested in these chairs or any other kind of chairs on their website, I will have them linked down below along with my little promo code. So now my sister and I are very excited to spend a very fun and relaxing summer chilling out in these chairs by the pool. Now we're off to my mom's house, and I bought her this little flat of petunias to put in the bottom of these little arborvitaes that we had got, and you probably have seen it already, but we did a little back deck makeover at my mom's house and it turned out beautiful, and we wanted to add just a few more little touches, so I was going to share that with y'all. Just trying to get all of our homes and our outdoor spaces looking beautiful for the weekend, the Mother's Day weekend. And here's little Kason. He has discovered some dirt and he loves playing in it, and who am I to tell a boy he can't play in some dirt? She found this rug on tjmax.com, and it came in, and she has it outside of her back door that goes out onto the patio. So let us know what y'all think about this rug and how Mom's little outdoor space turned out. I'm about to share with y'all a little recipe, but I wanted to share with y'all my nails first. I got them done for Mother's Day, and the little blue bow, I got that on both hands. They're so pretty. But for Mother's Day, I'm holding Kason, so work with me here. I wanted to make my mama's pineapple cake in remembrance of her. So my dad's youngest sister, my Aunt Angela, which is actually my cousin Kayla. I'm sure a lot of y'all know Kayla. It's her mom. For Christmas, she gifted everybody in the family one of these books, which this took a lot of time, hard work, and it was like one of the best gifts I've ever received. But it's Mama's recipes, and it has Yuna's recipes on the side in her handwriting. It also has her on the back. It says, "I love you very much, Mama Ferris." I'm getting kind kind of choked up sharing this. All organized. And then she has this sweet, sweet little introduction. And it's about my mom and papa and how they met. It's a really cute and funny little story. Basically, I wasn't going to share this, but it is too cute. Basically, my mama was worked in a small cafe, and he came in, I think, with some of his friends, and she made him something to eat. And he said something, he was kidding her about the meal she had cooked or something like that. And she said, "I'll never cook another bite for you, old fella." And it says, little did she know then that she would marry that fella and spend the rest of her life cooking for him and the family that they would raise together. And so that's a true story, and it was just so cute, and I just loved it that they added this into the introduction. Anyway, so there's Mama, and it's all, like I said, in categories. This is just so sweet. And so I wanted Mama's pineapple cake. I actually thought my mom had made it. Whenever I started talking about it, I was like, you know what? I think Mama made that cake. And so I was like, let's get her cookbook and see. And so, sure enough, when I flipped through here, oh, sugar-free desserts because my papa was a diabetic. All right, here it is, cake. So I flipped through and I found it somewhere. Where is it? Pineapple cake. So here it is. It was so easy. And I'm going to share with y'all how we're kind of mixing it up. And I wanted to make this little cake in remembrance of her for Mother's Day.
When I was lost and hopeless, when I was at my worst, it's grace that you extended that I did not deserve. I am so amazed by all you have done. I cannot explain the depth of your love. Limits can't contain the heart of you, God.
Want to try some of the icing? Here. I'm gonna try. You don't know. You haven't even tried it yet.
You came and found me, gave me a second birth.
Mm-hmm.
I'm overwhelmed and
What do you think?
grateful. You took what I deserved.
Put that on your finger.
I am so amazed by all you have done. I cannot explain the depth of your love. Limits can't contain
Is it delicious?
you, God. I'm amazed
You like it?
of your love.
You're ready for your nap, aren't you?
All you have done, I cannot explain the depth of your love. Limits can't contain the heart of you, God. I'm amazed at the depth of your love. Hallelujah. Love has made a way. Hallelujah.
Is that for me?
Forever I give thanks. Hallelujah. Love has made a way. Hallelujah. Yeah, forever I give thanks. Oh, and I am so amazed by all you have done. I cannot explain the depth of your love. Limits can't contain the heart of you, God. I'm amazed at the depth of your love. Oh, and I am so amazed by all you have done. I
house for lunch, and she had made this little beautiful bouquet and a beautiful lunch spread for us. She said that she wanted to do Mother's Day for the 2 new mommies. My sister and I both had babies last year, and so she wanted to do lunch for us and for her mom, and so they did hamburgers, and she put it out on this beautiful spread. I really enjoyed the afternoon with my mom and my grandma.
Good job.
Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. I feel so free. Oh, my sweet baby.
Felt very loved this Mother's Day. I got a few little gifts from my family too, and I was not expecting that, but like I said, my mom gave me this little bouquet. These are actually flowers from her garden, and she put them in this little vase that looks like a little book, and I just thought it was so cute. I love this. I have it over here by the diffuser. My sister knows I love me some Starbucks, and so she had me a sweet little card with a Starbucks gift card. And then Drew and his family surprised me with this beautiful cake plate from Mackenzie Child. I have been loving this wildflower print that they came out with, and I love Mackenzie Child. This was such a sweet and thoughtful gift, and I'm hoping to be able to use this cake plate for Kayson's first birthday. Again, all of these little surprises were not necessary, but it was so sweet and thoughtful. My family wanted me to feel extra special on my first Mother's Day, and I really did. I didn't have to have any of this. Just having my baby boy was the best Mother's Day gift ever, but I will definitely love and cherish these gifts. And again, they were just so sweet and thoughtful to have thought of me, and I wanted to share with y'all just some of the little things that I got and just a little part of our weekend, and I hope that y'all enjoyed it. Again, thank y'all so much for being here with me today on this video. I had so much fun this weekend and just wanted to share it with y'all. I hope that y'all have a wonderful rest of your week. God bless, and I will see you guys very soon on the next one.
Baby. All the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. I feel so free. I'm a sweet baby.